Things people look forward for in the Diwali Nagar. The food and sweets. This pepper roti was my favorite. Big up this spot one time. To meet their future bill, I'm practicing Hindi all now. Live performances by our local talents. All the stores and businesses, they have so much beautiful items on sale and it's very reasonable. Some businesses give out samples. Name one Trini who don't like free thing. Please support local. Taking part in the games, I'm yet to win one, but it's always fun. Then those who would walk around and admire everything. No matter what religion or ethnicity at the Diwali Nagar, it's always a love. I appreciate all cultures.